going on YouTube? Nikki here. This is the AtEdge interview series. Today we're going to be looking at another clip from Ransom and Mitchell's interview we did a few weeks ago. They're going to tell us all about how fine art has helped them find success in the commercial world of photography. Can you guys talk about a couple of your most recent projects in terms of their challenges and rewards?
Sure. There's two projects that we kind of invested in ourselves this year. We did a series called Ghost Town, and we just finished another series called Under the Veil. So this is on one of our development fine art kind of, side, is that we really needed to make the full leap of integrating CG in with our practical photography, our location photography, studio photography, and, figure work, bringing it all kind of together. And between these two series, it really ran the gamut of us flexing a bunch of different muscles to kind of get that whole machine going.
Right. Which was fun and challenging to combine so many different aspects. But again, it speaks to other things, as we have now a commercial series that we're getting ready to develop. A promotional series where it's on location. We're going to need to make CG pieces that are going to go into it. And so all of the things that we learned from the last piece that we did for fine art is definitely going to now apply to the series we're getting ready to do for commercial. So again, what are the things you have to do commercially? You have to constantly be making creative work to show what you want to do. Not just like only show what you came through your door, because sometimes it's paying bills or it's good, but is it great? Is it amazing? I think that we are always trying to challenge ourselves to like, okay, well, if we're going to put ourselves out there to the world and say, hey, hire us, then we want to show them the best possible thing ever, even if it means that's something that we created ourselves. I would rather just put something awesome out there always.
Hope you folks really enjoyed that clip. If you want to watch the other parts of this interview, you can check out the links below. I've got them all linked up.
Thank you for watching the AtEdge channel. I'm Elizabeth Owen, President of AtEdge. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And you can check us out on social by following the links in the description. See you next time.